In this quick video, we'll learn how we can read Cinema 4D's Mograph and field colors using Arnold. I have this very basic Mograph setup with a few effectors and fields, and together they give these purplish colors where the clones are bigger and higher, and this cyanish color when they are lower. Now let's see how Arnold Render can read these color data from the cloners and render them. If we create a new Arnold standard surface shader and apply it to our clones, let's also run the IPR. You notice the colors are gone both in the viewport and they are not showing up in the render. Let's middle click on the material to open up its network editor. To read the colors from your Mograph setup, you need a user data RGB node. So press Ctrl Tab and get a user data RGB. This node can read existing attributes in your scene, both custom and native. And one of the native attributes is the display colors of your clone. We talked about user data RGB node in one of our previous lessons. Now you can define that attribute in the attribute field. If you click on this arrow besides the attribute field, we can read bunch of X particle attributes, or we can select this display color from our Mograph setup. So let's choose that. And if this arrow doesn't exist, you can manually type in display_color to load that attribute. Now that we have this attribute, I can simply connect the output of the user data RGB node to the base color input of the standard surface shader. And now we get our clone colors in our Arnold render. Let's just set the base weight to 1, so we are using the full range of our color data. And that's basically how you do it. While we are here, we can do a few cool things. I can simply add a color correct node after the user data RGB node and use the hue shift to get an entirely new set of colors for my clones. For now, let's set the hue shift to 0 to get the original colors back. Let's do a bit more. I just want to simply multiply the existing color data with a random black and white value per clone. So first we need to generate those black and white colors. So we'll get a simple color jitter and set it as the beauty shader. Set the input color to black. And under the object section, set the gain min to 0 and max to 1. And now we have these random grayscale clones. We can get a multiply node. Okay, and connect the color correct node as the first input and the color jitter as the second input. And use the multiply node as the beauty shader. I'm going to set gain min to 0.5 in the color jitter node so we don't get very dark clones, and set the max to 1.5 to get a bigger range of colors. Now set the multiply node as the base color for the standard surface shader and connect the standard surface shader to the beauty port. And that's it. In this video, we learned how to read Mograph and field colors. See you in the next one.